Push it, push it, push it. I feel like unless you're accessing this from the mall itself, it is very confusing to park here.
There's no mall access anymore.
No mall access?
There's no mall access anymore.
Then this is...
To all of Deerfoot City now, there's no indoor mall anymore.
Great.
Everything is accessible from outside.
I'm sorry.
Can I even get...
This is apparently their parking lot. Just up on a massive sidewalk, I suppose. Because why not? Yeah. They're like loud.
Yeah.
As it slowly retracts back into the launcher.
I'm like, I just don't want to get hit. It's like if I hit the right...
I think you're in the right area. I think it's gonna launch. I think it's gonna like do this.
Yeah.
Before it hits you. Yeah, it does. It does. Oh. The big inflatable.
Yeah. Hello.
Some of these are really creepy.
Hmm?
Some of these are really creepy.
Yeah. Oh, maybe that one would have a.
Like, is this just a thing that they build every year? Because this is kind of neat. Not gonna lie. Oh. It's actually kind of that's neat.
Does actually have a.
They have 3 different recordings in there, and then you can turn on the. Ayosh.
Put it up to the mic to see if.
You can pick it up.
Yeah.
What do you think he jumps out at
I
you if
thought
you
he
step
was.
on this one?
I think he's in the wrong spot.
Maybe because it looks like there's something here that's supposed to plug in.
Yeah, I think he's in the wrong spot.
I think you're right. The rat shouldn't be though. Oh, those go off too. This here is just one of those things that, like those fan things that spin really fast.
Yeah. I was gonna say there's a couple.
I know, there's still like a couple on this side yet.
Yeah. I like the Butterfinger.
Oh, I guess not.
Huh?
I didn't think you hit it.
Oh, why are you so shy? You have such a beautiful face. Hello.
Stay looking with me forever and ever.
I got a really good
Okay.
out of for all three. Baby, everything's here. Everything is here.
What?
It's the retro Nintendo mask. I want that too. I want all of this stuff. Why am I so broke right now?
Your choice is hollow. Not everyone who dies gets to live to tell about it.
I'm getting distracted.
Right. What? Here. Yes. Yes. Look.
Push it, push it, push it.
You have a beautiful hair. Yes. Yes, Chris. Don't be afraid. Come closer. Take a chicken. It's Carlos and Margaret. Our treats from you when you're down.
I guess now we can start going through that. Well, we already know where you're going.
Yes. Because there are so many things I want. The mashup that nobody asked for.
But even worse, my friends and I had somehow separated. Climbed up on the edge and saw a glow above the tree. And what looked to be
This
a
one?
frantic
Oh,
smoke
this
of
one?
gigantic bee.
Because this one is the NECA mask.
Yeah.
I want this.
To get a better view. He's absolutely. I saw witches in bikinis marching
Focus.
to the end, drinking black monkey and throwing back.
We just don't have to. They just don't have the
It might be in the accessories section.
maybe.
This is from the game. This
Yeah.
is the Savini Jason mask.
Oh, okay.
And I really want this one.
Yeah.
I want this one and I want this one. She's like, get it on film.
Yeah.
So we have retro Jason mask. I really want this. And this is the Savini mask from the Friday the 13th game that I really want. It's like I'm supposed to get it. It's a double X. Oh. This is part of the new merch.
Oh.
This is the Jason Universe new merch.
Oh.
How much can I get that I can pay you back on Friday for?
I also have my credit card.
I'm geeking out right
Yeah.
now. I want a Letterman
Yeah.
if I can get one my size. I'd want that too. I don't need a bling purse, but if they had a wallet, I'd get it.
Yeah.
I don't need any of the counselor stuff.
No.
And I think the axe will be over in the
Over there?
accessory
Oh, okay.
stuff. Yeah. I think I can wait on the socks.
Socks. Yeah.
I'll hit pause for a sec. The
Cousin-
crossbody bag.
Yeah.
I've actually got a cousin knit costume coming in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, is it too low if it hangs?
Yeah, it is. It's fine. I will carry. I'm okay with carrying. It's gonna be an expensive trip. It's gonna be an expensive trip. Birthday gift?
There you go. Happy birthday.
Now she's like, I don't have to get you anything for your birthday now. Not that I would expect it anyway. You already hit start again on the video? Yeah.
I like just kind of the generic.
Yeah. I think The retro mask, Mom. No, let's be honest. All of this is my favorite. So that I found that I'm so excited for. Bling hockey masks. It's like if I wanted to make a rhinestone mask, I would just make one myself.
Halloween, always the perfect time to explore your drag queen side and your furry side.
Yep. I really want these. Like, because these look like that they would move really nicely.
Yeah.
I want those.
Oh, look. The men's lingerie section.
Oh. They have a Buster sword. Final Fantasy.
Yeah.
Oh, man. They better have my fucking axe.
Yeah, no.
Might have to ask them.
Yeah, because I thought it would be right here next to the...
Huh?
I thought it would...
It would have been next to this.
Yeah.
Or something. I just figured it would be somewhere in here.
Here.
It's a neat sword. That's some neat shit. It's like I can understand why people wait for this to pop up every year.
Yeah.
It's like I would, if I could, I would carry this kind of thing all year round.
Yeah.
Alan would like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is all really cool decor.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my Crystal Lake sign.
Like a monster.
Oh, they have the... little Beetlejuice.
Oh, I think we see these at Spencer's though.
Yeah.
Too. Because you know Spencer's parent company is Spirit Halloween.
Yes.
Insert Twilight soundtrack here.
Aww. It's giving very hoa hoa hoa.
Oh. It's a squishy. This is fucking adorable. Do I need another squishy? I need another squishy. I have things. I have so many things.
But why does none of these have a Canadian price on it? Like,
Any what?
like, I guess it's under the barcode. But when you're first looking at it, you only see,
Yeah, the price.
yeah.
Yeah. If we get lucky this year, they won't auto convert again. Last year they started out when they popped open their stores,
Yeah.
they forgot to turn off or turn on their auto conversion.
Oh.
So everything was scanning in at the US price,
Oh.
and where people were being charged US prices, but in Canadian dollars.
Yeah.
That one's I think it's a hollow book. Yep.
Yeah.
What would be really cool, I know this is a notebook,
Yeah.
right, but what would be really cool is if somebody actually did, I mean, if it doesn't already exist, but if somebody actually did a full handbook.
Yeah, there already is.
Because I know Trick or Treat did the Necronomicon.
Yeah.
And they did like the fully printed pages and everything. So stuff like that would just be really fun. There's lots of decor to see in this area.
Yeah. I like that they have actual
Mm-hmm.
just
All kinds of soap dispensers.
yeah.
I'll probably leave it all with you. Question 2. The axe that goes with this mask, do you have that right now? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because there was a what is it, a retro axe that went specifically with this mask, and I want it. That'd be cool. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, please. We're just doing it all.
Of course.
Yes, it's just you and me now. We've been abandoned.
No, just yeah. I'll come back then. Where you wanna? Okay, for sure. Where'd my other half go? They are in fact working on clearing more shipments.
Oh yeah.
There's more stuff coming. There's so much decor.
Yeah.
Button. No batteries. Unfortunate.
I was like, maybe with the kids' costumes? No.
Mm-mm. Is it in the kids section? Oh. God, that sounds great.
Yeah.
More ghost face stuff.
I was kind of hoping it
Is it all like sewn together? Stitched
Yeah.
together?
So these are a lot bigger than I. But also can't be mad for
Right?
$5.
Yeah. Just got one here. Might have my axe.
Pardon?
Might have my axe.
Yeah.
I just overheard you say that they have one here. Okay.
Somebody's a happy boy.
Yeah, I am. Any other Voorhees gear? Oh,
I'm kind of sad that there's not. I was looking for all those little blind box things.
what? There's not much left. They're
No.
right here. There. These guys.
Yeah, and there's all these ones.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah, there's just not much left is all.
Yeah. So I was hoping that they had the little ice cream ones. Is they even
Oh,
personally?
my boy doesn't get enough love. My poor boy. However, there's a shot glass now.
Yeah.
What I really want is like a Friday the 13th, like Stanley type cup
Yeah.
with the handle,
Yeah.
like your bat one that you have at home.
Yeah. Next they've been.
I'm pulling axe for Chucky.
Yeah. Oh god, the giant scissors.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
They had big, like, kind of Harlequin ones over there.
All kinds of terrible stuff. Ooh.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize it was the Dead by Daylight one.
Yeah. There should be an associated costume with that too. It was this one I like for sure was one that we needed to have in our collection.
Yeah. The Jason one is.
This guy?
Yeah.
A collaboration that nobody knew they needed.
Yeah.
It would be an interesting little costume idea to do the both of them.
Yeah. Especially if you do it where it's like a black jumpsuit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead of like the robe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we're pretty much back at the beginning of where we.
Mm-hmm. And the only other thing I could feasibly want today would be one of the Lettermans. I never understood the whole, bling stuff. Like bling everything. You're
We're just gonna end on this lovely